Alright, guys, let's rock this Diamond Kings and get Bowman Baseball. Buy some spots in number 3, guys.
I'm gonna put
Hot
that in
stuff.
eBay, and then I believe it's Bowman Jumbo.
Bowman Jumbo half case, I believe.
It's either Bowman Jumbo or Black Gold.
Bowman Jumbo or Black Gold, Andrew's quoting.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking it's Black Gold because then I would not put Black Gold and Supreme next to each other, so it's gonna be Black Gold, and then it's gonna be Bowman, and then it's gonna be Supreme.
You are correct, because the Cardinals just sold in Black Gold.
Told you. Black Gold ending now, guys. The BGs. Who's got the BGs tonight? Alright, let's rock and roll up. Like that movie with Gerard Butler.
Phillies won.
Phillies won.
On a walk-off
Ha ha.
by Ryan Howard.
Ha ha. Mike Trout photo variation for the Los Angeles Angels. Slotch.
Another bucket I got picked. The Dolphins Washington by the Bills.
Are we coming up? Let me know when we're coming up.
Yep. Let me see where we're at.
MW. Matt Williams? It's the only baseball player I know that's MW.
No, it's Mac Williamson.
Mac, you were right. Mac Williams. I thought you were joking.
No, I know that.
I was like, Matt Williams? No, it's Mac Williamson. No, it really is Mac Williamson. 42 of 99. I don't know much about him, but he goes to the Giants. That's Tapatio. Tapatio, you got first hit on the board. Hopefully you're a fan of Mac Williamson. He probably preferred Matt Williams, but you got Mac Williamson instead. Just as good, Andrew said he's good. David Ortiz, brown frame. Was that David Wright? Upside down, expressing himself. Always gotta express yourself, right? To your full capabilities.
Black Gold, Ravens just ended.
Black Gold ending now. Nolan Ryan and the Yankees Rooks.
I'm guesser to 1 limited 14.
I don't know what the heck you just said.
I'm a guesser.
I'm a guesser. Travis Janikowski.
Says, "What's up, guys? Most entertaining breakers out there."
What's up, TJ? That's fit for NASCAR, right?
He said, and whoever says that's because they're not high.
Would we be less entertaining if we were stoned? I guess, maybe. I don't know. Dave Winfield for the Yankees. Baby card. And Correa, Aficionado, Seager, and Nola.
Waka waka. We are on pick number 18 with the Falcons.
And slot, Cal Ripken, Carl Edwards.
Carl Edwards?
Carl Edwards Jr. Jung Ho Hwang. Paul Goldschmidt, numbered out of 99. AZ D-backs, Artie Karate. I'm going to guess gold stamp artist proof. Yes, I am correct. Boom. Peter O'Brien, Colin Ray. This is upside down. I don't know what's going on with that. Jason Hayward. Ah, we lost our baby card. Jim Bottomley, St. Lou. Paul Goldschmidt And some base dudes.
Base dude.
Base dudes. And stop getting your knapsack.
That's your child.
Honus Wagner photo variation for the Pittsburgh Pirates. Socrates, the philosopher.
You really got Socrates?
Yeah. Rare hit. Manny Machado out of 99, 52 and 99. Going to the Baltimore Orioles, that is Boston John, blue frame. And King Griff.
Boston John.
And I'm going to guess our hits here. And I'm correct. And it's GS. Gary Sanchez.
George Sisler.
I'm going to guess Gary Sanchez. Oh, yeah, there's Mac Williamson. He is a man. No. Giancarlo Stanton, Jersey bat for the Marlins. That's
both guessing.
that is Pip for NASCAR. 12 of 49. Bada boom, bada boom. Stanton.
Yeah, gangbang.
Gangbang giveaway. Still working on that one, guys. And just cooking up the details on it. I don't know when he's going to get that rolling out.
What? Not rolling out now. Giveaway.
Oh. Thought that was like our special, like 1 month. Oh, that is super thick.
Yeah, that thing is a huge card.
Let's hope.
Might be like a samurai sword.
Might be like one of those Rip Ted Williams cards.
Rip Van Winkle.
Or a Rip Van Winkle card. It could be a Rip Van Winkle.
Rip Van Winkle.
George Clemens. No. Roger Clemens out of 99. For the Yankees, blue frame. Spankies, Jeremy K. Jeremy K.
Not Jeremy A. Not Jeremy B.
Ron Jeremy.
69 Jeremy.
What about him?
Not been in.
No, sorry, Bob, not yet.
Coop, Kachu.
Andy Pettit, Severino, Snyder.
But he doesn't like this when snack his positive. He really doesn't enjoy that. He thinks he might like that.
Ted Williams, photo variation artist proof. This is not numbered because it's a variation, apparently. We've learned that now. I did not know that. Normally it would be out of 99.
What? It would?
Normally it would be.
But it is no.
We got print.
Cake. That's bacon cake.
Prints for the Rangers. I know. It's sad.
Sing a little Purple Rain for us.
I only know one song by Prince. And that's Sexy Mother.
So, Gold Apples. Apples wants to know if there's been any Mariners.
There's been Mariners cards, yes. Confirmed. Pittsburgh, Pirates Clemente. Photo variation. K. Bizzle. There has been a Mariner card pulled, yes.
Hit. I mean,
Oh,
jackass.
no, there's not been any hits. But we got a fatty hit.
Is this the fact?
Boom, Yasmani Tomas, baby relic.
Gold Apples says you're a smart ass.
33 of 99. That's my job to be a smart
And he's
ass.
gonna fly from Hawaii and spank you.
Artie Karate getting the yes money plus.
Gilbert Gottfried said that's kind of tight.
Wait, what's kind of tight?
There you go, get spanked.
It's kind of tight that I'm gonna get spanked.
Hey, there's a Mariner.
There's a Mariner and a brown frame Ken Griffey. Got a brown frame Ken Griffey. Can't be sad about that.
Heck no.
Heck no.
Is Yasmani any good?
I have no idea on that. Andrew would know. He follows Yasmani's career.
He started off slow this year. I don't know if he's picked it up, but last I checked, he was. They were giving him days off here, so he wasn't playing well.
Not playing well. No good.
No good.
Jake Arrieta, he's kind of good.
Artie Karate says he needs something big here to make up for his skunk last break.
Should never buy a skunk.
What other teams does he got?
He got
the D-backs. He got the Tomas.
Yeah, he's got Tomas already.
What else does he got?
Tomas. Oh, Atlanta. George Brett.
He's got
baby
Astros
card.
too, right? Is it Astros or Royals?
Astros. Well, I can tell you where the hit is. I see it. It's bulging.
Is
It's
that
kind of like something else that's bulging.
Yeah. Your hair.
Yeah, that's what I was talking about. How'd you know?
I know.
Joe DiMaggio, photo variation. Conforto. My name is Mr. Conforto.
You can call me Mr. Conforto.
Oh, look how thick that is.
Is it really gonna just be like one of those stupid like out of 5 jerseys?
It's gonna be something sexy, hopefully. J.B. Javier Baez.
Jordan for
I hope
Michigan.
it's Javier Baez. It's an auto out of 5.
It is gonna be Javier.
Joey Batista.
Oh,
Jose Batista.
cock.
Doing a hard rock something. Hard as a rock. 3 of 5. Joey
Hard
Bats.
rock.
Look at that. I think that's one of the sell sheet cards, if I remember right.
That is amazing.
Joey Bats.
Hey.
What? Patch Bat.
Biting my foot.
Patch Bat auto out of 5. Nice Joey Bats. Solidarity.
I'm scooping teams in the next 2 footballs to double down, though. Party crush.
Scoop. You gotta scoop that poop sometimes.
Scoop them up. Scoop up the poop.
In this case, that'd be in teams.
Gilbert Goddard says both of the socks and Bowman and get a Mikata.
That's what you go for if you want to get a lot of money.
If you want to strike it rich.
If you want to hit it rich. Well, not rich, but make enough for a vacation.
Yeah.
Nice little vacation.
Ouch!
Keep biting them. Good cat. Good cat.
Why are you biting my feet? He's going back in his corner now. He says,
You don't want me biting you, I'm leaving. Colin Ray for the San Diego Padres out of 99.
Are you going to go
Arch Griff Gold.
Alright.
That goes to the Den Wolf.
The Den Wolf. I need you to get one for that memory person. Oh, he wasn't in this one.
That isn't the last break.
I had a person in my breaks named Babyface Loves Your Face or something.
Babyface Loves Your Face. That was
Something
his
like that.
name.
Their name was like
Brett Phillips, baby card.
Babyface Lover.
I love Babyface. He's got some great songs. Why, do you have something against Babyface?
No, I just thought that eBay handle was
Oh,
a little strange.
not if you're a big Babyface fan. Like I am. Joe DiMaggio, photo variation again.
Who's got the Yankees?
Jeremy. That's Jeremy.
From Pearl?
From Pearl Jam. Oh, it's different Jeremy. Jeremy from Pearl Jam is C. Jeremy or whatever in the row.
That's right.
Nola Seeger. Stan the Man is going to be framed in brown. Poop Brown. Socrates
Have you
rookie.
gotten any hits in this one?
I think that's going to be one. I don't think I have, no.
I don't think you have it either.
Canoe.
Riding down the river in my canoe.
It's a good song that Dad used to sing us, remember, when we used to go camping.
Artie Cry says, don't tempt me.
Joe DiMaggio, baby card for the
Yeah,
Yankees. You gonna go buy a canoe? If that song tempts you to buy a canoe, then our job is done.
Don't tempt me to buy a canoe. 'Cause I will.
I'd say solid purchase. That's all I'd have to say. Ketel Marte, brown frame.
Poopy Brown frame. There goes the Golden's apples.
Golden showers.
Golden
Apple. No, he changed it. Golden showers now. I don't know why. There was a weird change, I thought. It was a weird change up.
What's the head?
It's 11 of 15, and it's AD.
Anthony Davis.
That's a basketball player. I'm going to guess Addison Russell.
That's probably a good guess.
It's probably a better guess than Anthony Davis. No, that's Andre Dawson for the Cubs. Sovereign Signatures. Cordial! 11 of 15. Andre Dawson with the auto.
Yeah, the Red Sox are listed. I've gotten bids on them from my phone.
Andrew's getting bids on the Red Sox currently, so they are listed. Search harder, longer, faster.
Ooh, the Texans took Braxton Miller.
Did they?
Book there.
Texans took Braxton Miller. He's a receiver, though, isn't he now?
He can do whatever. Just put him in the game.
Artie Corrali said
Yeah.
he found them.
Red Sox are right there. I see him.
Chris Bryant, photo variation.
Henry's dad has him.
Henry's dad has them. Who is Henry's dad? That's the real question.
AZ Carman says, we gotta get those 2 cases of Bowman going, peeps.
We gotta get at least the one that I have sitting here. Number 3 I have sitting here. Just sitting, chilling. Might as well break it. It's down to 18 spots last I looked. Hopefully I can hear some cha-chings in the next 5 seconds. Go, 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 go!
Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching!
It's a full kit and caboodle case. And it can break the night.
A tight end got to pick Austin Hooper for Falcon.
Ooh, Austin Pooper, he's good.
I'm just trying to figure out who the RBA.
Anthony Rizzo out of 9, D9. For them Cubbies going out to Cordial, and Tulowitzki's upside down for some reason. Expressing himself.
Oh. Express yourself.
Mike Trout, baby card.
Black Gold football still ending right now.
Black Gold football still ending right now. Steve Carlton, he's backwards too.
I guess that guy had him looking for the Red Sox and he missed his Patriots. Stop distracting Art Karate.
Mike Trout, photo variation. Why are all these backwards? Joey Vatos. Ooh.
Yep, I got the Patriots. My plan worked. I'm gonna guarantee you did not.
I'm gonna guarantee you didn't even.
I'm gonna guarantee you didn't even bid.
Jimmy Fox, brown frame. And what are you doing, Mr. Honus Wagner? That's a base. That's a base. Ooh, Alex Gordon.
Why is it backwards?
I don't know, this whole box they've been backwards. They're like, let's play a trick on them. Normally if they're backwards, they're numbered, that's why I'm like, oh, maybe Brett Boone will be numbered, but it's not.
Another receiver, Leonte Carew.
Ooh, he sucks.
Dolphins.
Yeah, he sold like
Why the
2
heck do the
seconds.
Dolphins need more receivers?
They already drafted a receiver too, anyways.
Who?
The first or second round, I could have sworn they took a receiver.
No, they took tons.
Oh, that's right, they took them. Corey Seager. Paul Goldschmidt and Gary Sanchez.
Corey Seager's name?
What?
You have to yell out Corey Seager's name?
Photo variation.
Oh.
It was a photo variation. Oh, we got a hit. AW. Andy
Wilkins.
Crazy, that's who it is.
If it's sideways, there's a chance it could be.
Nope. Adam Wainwright. Jersey for the St. Luke Cards. That's Uncle Tapatio, and that is numbered out of 99. 78 to 99, dual jersey going Adam Wainwright. Bryce Harper in a brown frame.
In a brown frame?
Yes, sir.
How about in a white frame?
Oh, that might be worse than mine.
Do we have these nuts tonight?
Nope. You have not had these nuts tonight. Mike Trout, Greg Bird, Aaron Nola. I have a feeling it was one of these two. I think it's that bottom one, but here we go. Been wrong before.
We're on pick 25 now.
Ooh, 2 away from the sequence. Frank Thomas, Trey Turner, Kyle Schwarber. Feeling it. So,
Another tackle.
Connor Cook.
You're gonna pick another tackle.
I told you it was a fatty. I told you.
This one's gonna be
AJ.
who?
AJ. Pollock.
Alan Jackson.
Alex. Who?
Alex Jackson.
That's not a guy.
Alan Jackson. He's a country singer.
Aaron Judge.
Ooh, nice
2 color and 2 color for the Spanky Yankees. I think it's low numbered.
5.
10.
10.
4 of 10.
5 or 10.
For Jeremy. Ron Jeremy. 2 color patch. Just Aaron Judge me. Or judge me not.
Judge me.
Ron Jeremy.
Oh, get ready.
Don't do that. You'll scare me. Gil McDougal. Gil McDougal.
Black gold. Still ending on the bay.
Damn, it is a lengthy one.
Yes, it is.
Lou Gehrig.
I think I was telling you, Lou Dobbs.
Lou Dobbs. Carlos Correa.
We got astronaut.
SS. Steven Schmaltz. Sexy sounding.
John Shoemaker.
Ooh, Sean. That could be Sean. That's Steven Strasburg.
Wow.
Wow. Jersey auto. Steven Strasburg for the Nationals. MJ Cats. Number 5 of 5.
What are you, a freaking coyote?
You like that sound when I make that sound?
I don't like that sound, coyote.
Yeah, get to liking it. Get to liking it.
I'm gonna see how it says that sounds horrible. Get out of it.
I'm in it. I'm in it. To win it. 702 Breakers pulling heat again. Strozzy. 5 of 5 Strozzy coming out. Alright, what do we got next on the agenda? What else wants to hit?
Naked and Afraid.
Miguel Monte. Brown frame. Base. It's 2 out of 5, right? And an out of 10?
And then 90.
Is that right?
And then out of 93.
Is that right? Did I do that? Aaron Judge out of 10.
Joey Bats.
Andre Dawson out of 15. And Joey Bats out of 5.
And Millie Vanilli.
Oh, yeah, Joey Bats won't fit. Huh? He's too thick. Is he too thick?
That's just stupid.
Yeah, it's just a serious question. Is Joey Bats too thick for you?
Are you missing the tights in box in black gold?
Shouldn't be.
I don't think so, because I know Theo was bidding on them.
Joey Bats. Sorry. I forgot the one touch Joey Bats. I don't know why. I wanted the 2 touch him. Hard like a rock.
No, they're there.
Yeah, they're there. Confirmed. You gotta explore. The more you explore, the more you find. You know what I'm saying? Mitch?
What?
Ty Cobb, baby card.
The more you explore, the more you find?
Yeah. It's just a,
Whoa.
just a cold hard fact. Did I just blow your mind?
No.
Oh, I thought I just blew your mind. So that's.
I've been $120.
I know who that is. That's my friend. I told you. Carlos Rodon, he said he's in full effect. He is back in full effect. Alright, well, I know this one's not going to have a hit.
Boom, boom.
Is there any redemption
Let's forget.
Diamond Kings?
Yes, I got Jake Arrieta yesterday.
Jarek Arrieta?
Jake Arrieta.
Did you?
Yeah.
I thought that's what it was.
Yeah.
Man. Was it numbered, like framed?
I don't know what it was. It was an Ariana Auto something.
It would say if it was in a frame or not, though.
I don't
Say
remember.
frame, like gold frame, brown frame, blue frame.
I don't remember what it said.
Kareem Abdul-Jabbar.
Ariana, I remember that.
Who got it?
Whoever had the Cubs.
Oh, that would make sense.
That's a goose burger.
You're so funny sometimes that it's insane. 30 of 99, we got our hit.
Ooh, that's gonna be a good one. That's Babe Ruth.
They got a lot of his relics done. Dixon.
No, not Dick.
Heine Groh. Heine Groh out of 99, Cincinnati. That is Kev's Gal Taylor. Getting an old school Heine Groh.
What the heck is going on?
I told you, I already know what's going on.
Dude, this is bananas.
Ted Williams photo variation. And base dude, spaceman. A lot of spacemen. Alright, let's cut open this last
No, it's
sucker.
not. You thought it was.
Really? Really? Wow. He been bidding at all?
No, I'm saying that's who won those.
No, what I'm saying
I'm
is,
saying.
was he battling? I would think he would be, but maybe I'm wrong.
No.
Wow.
Nope.
MIA again.
Sixburg. 10. Sixburg. Okay, obviously. And
Joe DiMaggio out of 99, artist proof gold. For them spanky Yankees. Jeremy. From the band Pearl Jam. Mini Kyle Schwarber. And base. No, it's dry. That's one thing we know about. Corey Seager photo variation for the Dodgers. And base. RS. I already know what that is. Rough. What a bet. Johnny Gray. Tom Murphy. Oh, you should have bet me.
You lost, Richard Shaver.
You didn't bet me.
I bet you.
Nope.
In my mind.
Richard Shaver going to the Tampa Bay Rays. H Turbos. 99. Apparently he's supposed to be kind of good, but
Who? Turbo?
Shavers. You know anything about him? And Blake's.
You got CJ Prosis, running back from Notre Dame.
Do we really?
That Prosis guy.
I got a bunch of his autos already. So we might have an RPA guy.
CJ Prosis.
So he's going to back up Rawls? I guess, because Fred Jackson's like 80. Ref Snyder out of 99 blue frame.
Browns are up now. No other position players have been drafted in the last 7 picks. Oh no, a quarterback was picked.
Who?
Jacoby Brissett. Patriot.
Got picked over. Why did the Patriots pick a quarterback? They got Garoppolo. Can you guys pick Connor Cook finally, you think? Huh?
I'm gonna guess that we don't, just because I know our team is stupid and
Evan Gaddis.
we just pick random dudes that play football. I don't even know any of these guys that we got so far. Who have we got so far?
Yeah, Corey
Corey
Coleman.
Coleman.
That's the only
We
guy I've
got
heard of.
Carl Nassib, and then we got Sean Coleman. We like Colemans. So whoever, if there's any Colemans left, we'll probably pick them.
Pittsburgh, Honus Wagner, photo variation.
Oh, we did. We picked a quarterback.
Did you?
Cody Kessler
You picked the USC
from
guy.
USC.
USC guy. Why would you not pick Connor Cook?
Connor Cook is dropping like a hotcake.
SG? Anyone know who that is?
Shane Green.
Sonny Gray?
Sonny Gray.
I'm gonna guess Sonny Gray.
Soon Young Goo.
Sonny Gray. Athletics hard like a rock.
It's your pick again.
6 of 10.
Seahawks picking.
We're picking again? So we already got a running back. Who else are we
Dak
gonna pick?
Prescott.
That's who we picked?
You
Really?
want that guy?
He's like a quarterback.
I'm just kidding.
That'd be an exciting guy to play. He's supposed to be good.
Oh, no, it's that guy that Serena always gets. Driscoll. That's
No,
who
we would
picked.
not pick him. For the Philadelphia Athletics, Jimmy Fox, blue frame.
Blue frame.
That'll go with your Sonny Gray, just mighty fine.
Mr. Consuelo says you can't get the cuts on the best.